This video, I will show you how to buy an order from Instacart app. Just open Instacart like this. It will open directly here on this page. So right now, here you have to ask for anything or search for anything that you want to buy. For me, I will just, for example, this milk, I will add it to my list. Then I want to buy it, just I will click on this green, I will delete the thing that I don't need and I will keep just the milk, as you can see right now. And also I will add this, I like it. And maybe this one, And after that, guys, I will go and click go to checkout. And right now I will add my delivery address. After adding my delivery address, I have to add my payment method. For example, just check this and click continue right now. And right now you have to add a payment. Choose Venmo, PayPal, or add your debit or credit card, Klarna. For example, I will just add debit and credit card. I will add my information here and click save, and that's all. I hope guys this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and